Hi, this is Mark. A midweek update. We've had some movement after last night's FOMC. Everything was red yesterday immediately after. We saw this morning the dollar index tried to break back down. This is the key area to watch. If it breaks and closes below here on a weekly, because there's also a weekly trend line in here, then we would start to think that it's off back down to 160 level, 100.60. At the minute, just keep your eye on this. Dollar CAD being very choppy, very messy of late. I'm leaving that. Swiss EC Ashley, he's done well. Euro now looks interesting for a potential long, depending on what happens with that with the dollar index. So wait to see what this candlestick does, but then you would start thinking about a long here for a possible move back up to 110. This is the pound. Took this morning. Oops, I've forgotten to take some off on here. On my live account, I have my stop at entry here, and I have taken off part of the trade when it got down here this morning, because that was the reason why I've taken this. We have multiple reasons for the stop up here. You've got the trend line, you've got the fib level on the way up. There was a fib level here. You've got this weekly 200 EMA. You've got the whole number above, etc. The issue was this 55 EMA was major resistance on the way up, and if you recall the other week I had a long in here, and I took profit off there, and I have done it on my live account here as well as stop to entry to protect the balance. And on my live account I have set the target down here at 125.30, I think it is, but it hasn't been a big move. The AUD is still struggling and slamming up against the 200, so I don't want to take this at the moment. NZD is more interesting. NZD is a breakout after a major area. Haven't broken 78.6 fib yet, but if we get back down here, my thinking is it's 50 pip stop for a potential 80, 150, 200, possibly 275 move here. And I have got all this lot acting as support and resistance. So that one I am interested in. EURCAD, been waiting forever for this, still waiting for it to pull back. And other than that, I have the pound CAD down here with a 50 pip stop for a potential 400 pip gain. Bit of a concern, is it getting past this on the way back up? And then Aussie CAD, caught this yesterday. The balance of this in a, oops, forgot to move the stop. So on this one, I took it yesterday almost to the pip entry yet again. So this was the spike in here, stop above there initially. I've taken 60% of the trade off because yet again it was struggling at the 55, closed here last night, balanced left to run on that one. So we're not getting the follow through. It's not easy, but there are trades there, and there's still some potentially more for the rest of the week. Catch you later.